how to download Instagram on MacBook Air or Pro. To download Instagram or use Instagram on your MacBook Air or Pro, follow these simple steps. So, basically, the main download source of the MacBook is App Store. Now, once inside the App Store, if you search for the Instagram, then you won't find any options available there because Instagram does not have a native macOS app, but you can still download it on a device using this legitimate way. So, how to do so? First of all, let's simply open the Safari app or any preferred web browser on your MacBook. So, here I'm tapping on the Safari. Then, in the search address bar, type down the Instagram.com and search for it. Now, once inside the Instagram.com, all you have to do is drag the link or URL to your desktop. Simply copy it or simply select all of it and drag it to your desktop. Now paste it there. Once done so, simply tap on the plus icon available there and open the new tab in your macOS. Now search for the macOS icons and hit enter. Now go to the first option available there. Now here look for the Instagram official icon. If you do not find the Instagram, then tap on the search address bar and search for it. Now once done so, tap on the icon you prefer. Then you will get to see download option available there and download it to your device. Once downloaded, simply drag and drop to your desktop again. Now, once all of these are done, all you have to do is double tap on the URL here and tap on the get info. Now there you can see there is icon option available at the top left corner. Drag and drop the icon there and that is it. Now once you open the Instagram app, it will be easily opened. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe and thank you so much for watching.